Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a custom mousepad from Clustrs. This is a glass mousepad. It was custom designed for me. You guys can customize your own or you can buy a pre-made one. I'm going to show you in a second how it looks like. This is the box for it. It has this shiny RGB-ish purple effect. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it looks really cool. On the side right here it says game on, shine on. I think it's really appropriate considering how it looks like. On the back we have a little story about Clustrs. They say with a foundation in advanced glass manufacturing, Clustrs specializes in high quality glass mousepads that elevate user experience and desk aesthetics. Our expertise ensures every product meets righteous standards of durability and performance. And obviously if you're on the website is www.theclustrs.com. I'm gonna have a link in the bio as well. Pretty much that's it with the box. I really like the design of the box. I think it looks really cool. Let's go ahead and open the box. I'll show you guys what you get, and after that I'll put it on my desk, or I'll put it on my desk straight away, so you guys get an idea on how it looks like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have the mousepad itself, which we will get back to in a second. They also gave us some cluster stickers, which I think they look amazing. They're also shiny, RGB-ish stickers. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but in real life they look really cool. We have a welcome support card, so it says thank you for your purchase. Thanks for getting clustered with us. Basically, that's pretty funny. On the back they have their support email, so if you got any issues, please make sure you reach them at support@theclustrs.com. They'll be more than happy to assist you. They also have some social media here at clustrs.official. Again, if you got any issues, make sure you hit them up with an email. They will respond within 24 hours. They're a really good company. So this is the mousepad. This is a design I made myself. They printed it. The print quality is actually amazing. This is a solid glass surface. It looks really great. Obviously I have the techroomuk. This is the channel brand name. We have the Kick logo because I used to stream on Kick a few weeks ago. I'm gonna go back into it at some point, maybe after I get a new PC. This looks exactly like me with the Nike t-shirt, with the beard. Yeah, I think it turned out really great. The weight and the thickness are also really good. On the back, let me show you on the back, it's got this anti-skid material. It's like a rubber, foam rubber, something like that. So wherever you put it, it won't slip. I'll just show you in a second. See, I'm trying to move it, but it won't go anywhere. So that's really important, especially because this is made out of glass on this surface. I really think it won't go anywhere. It depends, because I like to have two mouse pads on my. I like to have a big one, and I like to have one especially for the mouse. So this will stay only for the mouse. I really love the quality, the edges, everything looks nice. You don't have any sharp edges. Yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. That's how it looks like. You guys can customize your own, so any picture, any design, any brand. They have some pre-made designer ones. They have their own designer that made them. They look pretty cool as well. You will find all this information in the video link down below. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna add their website and how you can buy it in the video description. So you guys, if you like this, feel free to check them out and click that link so you can get one for yourself, or you can get a pre-made one. They have different sizes. This is the only size available for the custom ones, and yeah, pretty much that's it. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.